Comparison of countries or states based on income. Income, one of the best attributes to compare countries. Total income, income of all the residents of country. Average income, total income divided by total population, also called per capita income. Average income is equal to total income divided by total population. According to World Bank Report 2006, countries with per capita income of 4,53,000 per annum and above, rich countries, 37,000 or less, low income countries. India with just 28,000 per annum comes in low income countries. Not a reliable method, hides disparities. Monthly income in rupees average. Country A 5,000, 8,000, 7,000, 4,000 and average income is 6,000. Country B 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 21,000 and average income 6,000. Comparison of countries or states based on other criteria. Health, education, public facilities also play an important role in development. Infant mortality rate, literacy rate, net attendance ratio. Comparison of Punjab, Kerala and Bihar. Monthly income in rupees average. State Punjab. Per capita income in 2002 to 2003 in rupees was 26,000. Infant mortality rate per 1000 in 2003 was 49. Literary rate in percent 2001 was 70. Net attendance ratio for class 1 to 5th in 95-96 was 81. In Kerala, per capita income in 2002-2003 in rupees was 22,800. Infant mortality rate per 1000 in 2003 was 11. Literary rate in percent 2001 was 91. Net attendance ratio for class 1 to 5th in 95-96 was 91. In Bihar, per capita income in 2002 to 2003 in rupees was 5,700. Infant mortality rate per 1000 in 2003 was 60. Literary rate in percent 2001 was 47. Net attendance ratio for class 1 to 5th in 1995 to 96 was 41. Above example clearly states that per capita income in Punjab is higher than that of Kerala, but Kerala will be considered more developed because of better conditions of health, education and public facility. Therefore, income is not a complete indicator of development. Money cannot buy pollution, free environment, protection against diseases, etc. Collective responsibility is necessary. For example, PDS adopted by some states for better quality of food, medical facilities. Now we will study about body mass index BMI. It helps to calculate undernourished. In an economy, BMI is equal to weight in kilograms upon height in meters. Less than 18.5 comes under undernourished. More than 25 overweight. Between 18.5 to 25 good health.